Welcome back to our channel, everybody. We're here in South Central Tennessee at Arnold Air Force Base FamCamp near Tullahoma, Tennessee. We're going to give you a tour of this beautiful little camp. In this video, we're going to be reviewing Arnold Air Force Base FamCamp. And as I said, the FamCamp is located in Tullahoma, Tennessee. And it's a great place to stay if you're visiting areas like the Jack Daniel's Distillery, which is just 15 miles away, in a little town called Lynchburg, or locally. Visit one of the George Dickel's distillery outside the town of Tullahoma. You also might want to visit the Beautifall Rutledge Falls, or the Beechcarft Aviation Heritage Museum, both in Tullahoma. If you like museums, try the Old Stone Fort Museum in Manchester. It's just 17 miles away. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and all the adventures that come along with it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and share our video. We certainly would appreciate it. Coming into the area, we come in on the North Shore Road, show you some videos of the campsite, driving through the campsite real fast. Arnold Air Base FamCamp is a small campground located a few miles off base on Woods Reservoir. It has 36 RV sites, 16 tent sites, and 14 boat slips. It is well maintained and offers a lot of shade. All sites are concrete slabs equipped with a 20, 30, and 50 amp electrical and have water. There is no sewage hookup, but there is a dump station in the park. Left sides have a grill, a fire ring, and a picnic table. Arnold Air Force Base is a very popular campground, so it is very important to make your reservation in advance, especially around the holidays. The campground is located in a densely wooded area, so your satellite or Starlink may not be able to connect. There is Wi-Fi available. The FamCamp also has 2 bathhouses with showers and restrooms, and a covered pavilion and playground. It has 1 washer and dryer in the first bathhouse. While our stay was here, we'd had 3 to 4 bars on Verizon, and we used my MoFi for internet, and it also, using Tello, it also got 3 to 4 bars. The campground is pet friendly, but pets must be on a leash at all times. There is a small boat ramp in the park, but a full-size boat launch is located within 2 miles. Just want to let everybody know that to check in, they have moved it up the road in a gated area, so somebody has to have a military ID to go into the gated area, and they moved the office. It's inside of the Wingo Lakeside Lodge now. Just like you was going to go in and get a hotel room, the same counter is where you check in for your campsites, your cabins, or the lounge. It's all in one place. Just letting you know. When you check in, the office is down the road about a mile and a half. It's at the Wingo Lounge. They moved it to there when you log in, and that's where you get all your passwords and your locks to the laundry. One more thing. Arnold Riverside Center has a little diner and bar in it, and it's only open on Friday. 5 to 8 is the diner, but 5 to 10 is the bar. And I'm telling you, you need to try out their hot wings and their fried pickles. They got some other things like hamburgers and pizza, but pizza's pretty good. Hot wings, you really got to try. And the pickles, fried pickles. I also want to show you the cabin area and the main boat dock and rental area by the Wingo Riverside Lounge. Like I said before, there are several museums and historical sites in the area, as well as a number of outdoor activities. Enjoy hiking, bike riding, and fishing. They even have a bike trail a mile down the road from the campsite. There's a mountain bike trail just right down the road on North Shore Road for mountain bikes. It was built by the Boy Scouts from Tullahoma. I didn't take my e-bike down it because I just rode to it and then went down the trail just a little ways, but there's a couple of creeks. So being electric bikes, I just don't think water and electric goes together well, and my riding skills is not that great. But it's there for you if you want to go ride those trails. Also down the road from FamCamp RV sites is the cabins. And there's Crockett Grove cabin, or rustic. Each cabin has a sitting area, bed, but they share a bathroom facility on the site. There's 5 of those cabins. We have the Dogwood Ridge cabins, which is There are 4 of those, and they're a lot nicer. They have rooms, kitchen, and bathrooms all inside of each of the cabins. And these cabins are really nice for when you want to have family come, but you don't have room in your RV and they don't have an RV. They can just stay right down the road, and there's a pavilion over by the cabins that you could all meet at, and a beach over there too. And it's just right down the road, just off of another awning out on the lake. We thank you for watching our review of Arnold Air Force Base FamCamp in Tullahoma, Tennessee. We hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.